What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're at a meet that I'm hosting with Big Brown Industries, the guys who bring you some of the toughest wraps and liveries in the game. We're putting on an event today. We're open house. Everyone can come and check out their shop, what they're up to. We've got some of the toughest cars in New Zealand on display. Come check the action out. So many tough cars out on display now. Look at this R32 rocking a big power RB30. We've got this GDR here, one of my favorites. This is so cool. Look at the attention to detail in here. Midnight Purple 3. And we've just had this big power R34 roll in. Woo. Man, we've got some big power cars here today. How good does that look? Big precision turbo, custom fab everywhere you look. What a weapon. We have all the cars set out now. Got my daughter helping me, giving out stickers to everyone. It's starting to fill out. This is going to be a big day, guys. We've got food trucks here. We've got Cascades, Pro Sport winning D1NZ car. How rad is this? We've got Karage Boy, and we've got Carbon Addiction feeding the troops. It's a big day out. If you don't know Big Brown Industries, they have done some of the best wraps, race car liveries and designs in the game. And today we're opening their shop up for everyone to come check it out and see what they're capable of, man. I got both my cars on display, the JZX 100 and the Skyline. So good to have them in the one spot together. With my boy Brent, JZX 100 Chaser. This is a new addition to the fleet. Very cool car. I'm so stoked that he's got this car and we can go out rolling. We've got my boy Simon's zip-tied Salady. So this is quite an OG car. He's had this for a long time. It's got a strawberry face front, S15, and it's 180 SX Type X in the back, rolling on the VSKFs. Woo! Still looking hot, Simon. Over here we've also got a black GR Yaris. Man, I got serious love for these. I'd love one of these as a daily. Such a good car. And then over here we've got the boy Grant's R33 GDR. And you guys know I love this car. I've done a full machine check on it, gone into all the detail. Look at the rear wing on it now. He's got a new rear wing on it, looking super tough. And here's a better look at that rear wing. Woo! How spicy does this look? So wide. I love to see it, man. It's looking cool. Everyone's just chilling out, having fun, something to eat. What a cool chill day, man. I can't wait to hit the streets with all these cars. And inside we got Sky Zhao's Lambo race car on display. Check this out and how wide this is. Woo, Big Brown Industries, custom livery. We've got Sims going down. Everyone's hanging out, having a good time. The man himself, Jerry. What's up, bro? And in here, this is where all the magic happens, guys. This is where all the custom designs and signage goes down. You got their merch on display and for sale. Look at that. That is the back straight at Pukekohe Park Raceway. How cool is that? Everywhere you look, there's something cool that they've made and designed. Custom bar, Drunken Monkey, selling merch. What a cool setup. And let's take a better look at Cascades championship winning A86 drift car. Look at this, man. SR20 DET powered, very well sorted car. This is battle proven over multiple seasons, and your boy winning the championship this year. It's such a good car. I absolutely love the livery on this. And the black and the brown into the gold with all the chrome, so much attention to detail, and such a good car. Love to see it go that far. And over here we have my boy Clint's GT86. This thing's turbocharged, rocking the Work Kiwami wheels. And we've got a super wide body Supra over here. I love seeing this every time I see it out. Mike, the big equip wheels, looking tough. And here we have my boy Phil's K70 Corolla. Look at the wheels on this. These are so cool, man. So period correct. The black flares. Rocking the 4H turbo power. Look at this, so damn cool. Look at that, I'm pretty sure that's a GTIR intake setup on that. Far out, the level of detail in here is amazing. Such a good car. And let's take a deeper look into this R34 GDR. Looks so aggressive from the outset. Look how big those brakes are, big R35 brakes. Look at the attention to detail. We've got a Plasma Man intake plenum and throttle body here. Look at the intake here, so good on the precision turbo. Man, the attention to detail of this thing is amazing. What an absolute beast, and you should have heard it when it rolled in. Can't wait to see this out on the cruise. And for the Evo lovers out here, check out this Evo 6. I've always been a big fan of this color, eh? It's always done something for me. Look at the manifold there. Love the valve covers. They look so good. Such attention to detail, such a tidy car. And here we got my friend Sean's S14. Now this is one of the tightest examples you'll ever see. Sitting low on the R33 GDR wheels. I love to see cars in this condition still rocking around. Midnight Purple absolutely glisten in the sun. Everyone's here having a good time. What a cool event. Just had another couple of tough Evos roll in. We've got King 4G and Stocker. A couple of the toughest Evos doing the circuit now. Man, I love seeing Evo 4s. So damn good. Let's take a closer look at these Evo 4s. This one here rocking the number plate Stocker. I can tell you now, this is not stock. I've raced this before and it is so fast. What an absolute weapon. And then we've got a new build here. We've got King 4G. How cool does that look in the Nardo grey with all the red accents and sitting on these Evo 10 wheels? Man, I'm absolutely loving this. Such a cool new build. And we've got GT86s here as well. There's cars everywhere. What a good turnout. And the man behind Big Brown Industries is Jerry. We've known each other for a very long time, bro. He's been looking after me for a long time. I'm so stoked to be able to do this collabo event and show off your work and what you guys do, man.
Oh yeah, thank you.
I know it's been a big push, and these guys do some of the toughest wraps and liveries you'll ever see. Custom design work. Also too, you got a business and you want to do designs for your business, signage, hit up Big Brown Industries. And here we have a lineup of Big Brown's cars. We've got their Mini. This literally is an award-winning Mini, taking out awards in this year's signage awards. Look at this old school Golf livery, flipped on its head with Aerofan wheels up front. This is mental. And we got this FJ Cruiser. Look at the custom wrap on it, making it look like it's dirty and been living the off-road life. And then we've got their two vans. These really push the boat. These are also award-winning cars as well. Man, look at the Aerofin wheels on the front. The attention to detail just never stops. You could look at these cars for hours and never stop seeing what you see. Look at that, man. You've got a clear fuel flap with wrap in there. Open the doors, it's been wrapped on the inside of the doors. Like, how mental is this? Out of the box thinking, amazing designs. All the cars are warming up, getting ready to hit the streets. So many tough cars. Oh, listen to that RB goodness. Love to hear it. And now it's time to hit the streets. We're going for a cruise. Listen to how aggressive that R32's idle is. It's so good. And then we got Grant's R33 GTR making some noise. Man, I love some lumpy RB goodness. Sounds so damn good. That was an awesome cruise of Auckland City streets. We're now chilling at Quay Street, one of the meccas in New Zealand. Everyone's parked up, talking, having fun, relaxing. What an epic day. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you everyone for coming. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and you know we'll keep the content coming.